Mom and Dad started the business in 1952 as a house moving company. Dad provided the labor and Mama did the books. I'm one of 4 sons. Us 4 boys were Dad's crew. So we began buying old houses from one location that needed to be moved and selling it to an individual that wanted a used home but had the property but not the house. Every time we moved one of these homes, we had to clean the lot, which meant get rid of the garage, the foundations, the driveway, the things that the seller didn't want because they typically wanted to build a new home. So we bought our first piece of heavy equipment and began bidding residential demolition. From there, demolition continued to grow. Residential demolition, working in high-end markets, gave us exposure to business owners who gave us opportunities to bid commercial work, gave us opportunities to do interior gut out, and so that business continued to grow and prosper.
We do structural demolition, we do interior demolition, we do residential demolition, we do implosions, we do just about anything that's called demolition.
Currently, we run a couple dozen crews, sometimes on a couple dozen jobs each day.
Any type of demolition asset recovery for our major petrochem customers. Anything from a refinery, chemical plant, cooling towers to process units, whatever is inside their gates.
Out of our stabilized division, we sell mainly stabilized sand, and the stabilized sand is used for all of our mainly utility customers. On our stationary side, we recycle concrete, so we crush the concrete. Our removal division, which is part of our crushing division, removes the concrete, we bring it back to our plants, we crush it, and we resell it back to our customers.
Well, we recycle concrete. We produce recycled aggregate. We take the raw product, concrete, run it through our concrete plant, and we generate several products. Recycled base, 3x5 blanket stone.
Komatsu is very durable. I mean, pretty much everything we do with it, it exceeds its expectations.
They last, we get our money's worth out of them. They're competitively priced.
Our plants are set up to run 500 tons an hour. We don't have any downtime, so we need a big machine to keep up with the material we use.
The quality of the equipment, I mean, it lasts, they hold up.
I like Komatsu. It's a very strong machine. They're very well built. They don't outthink themselves, so they're very operator friendly. And WPI provides a lot of support that we don't always get from dealers.
Our relationship with WPI and Komatsu continued to grow, and the more we got to know the culture at WPI and how closely it aligned to the culture of our family business, the closer and closer we became. There's a standard phrase around here, we call it the WPI model. Dad taught me years ago, imitation is the highest form of flattery. And there's a number of things that the Pearce family have done at WPI that we emulate here. We developed with WPI's assistance the first demolition package that goes on an excavator. And all of that ultimately became a package that you can now buy from Komatsu, ready to go. So no, I'm completely comfortable in telling you without their support, our business would not be where it is today.
Their service has always been very good and responsive to our needs.
We have a strong relationship with WPI. They service us, they make sure our warranties stay good. They're training us.
Everything I've asked for them, they're very quick response and very knowledgeable on the machines.
Having the support of a WPI and a Komatsu to make sure our needs are met is vital to our operation and to our success. And our relationship with WPI is so strong, they've been there to support us for many, many years, that we're going to count on that moving forward, or it just won't happen, because you can't grow without having that support on the yellow line side of the business, and we certainly do have it in our relationship with WPI and Komatsu.
We see growth opportunities that actually exceed our capacity, but we'll continue to digest as much as we can in a very conservative approach, because we're just conservative by nature.